As of November 2025, Social Security payments remain on schedule despite a weeks-long government shutdown and growing data security concerns. SSI recipients will be paid early on October 31st, and regular Social Security payments go out November 3rd, 12th, 19th, and 26th, depending on your birth date. The shutdown hasn't stopped payments, but it's caused SSA office closures, long delays, and limited staffing, especially in major states. Meanwhile, whistleblowers claim millions of SSA records were moved to a vulnerable cloud server under the Department of Government Efficiency, sparking fears of a data breach, though officials deny any leak. Scams are also surging, with fake letters using official seals claiming your Social Security number is suspended. Remember, SSA will never threaten, demand money, or contact you by text or phone. The 2026 COLA announcement, delayed until October 24th, 2025, is expected to raise benefits by 2.8%, or about $50 to $55 per month. But higher Medicare Part B premiums will offset much of that. Do your own research.